Make we look domain structure. For domain structure, we will look this domain name www.aarealzone.com. Wetin be the structure? www. That be the universal, pointer. Say you're on the internet. On the internet. More leave for that point first. More not to go deep. I want not to concern us. Now, inside this domain name, www.bdex.com or aarealzone.com, now they call root domain. That be the root domain. We can't get what they call top level domain or what most they call extension. Now the same thing. Top level domain 9b Wetin end that domain name. Wetin end down. www.aarealzone.com, www.aarealzone.org.ng.uk.ru.music. Whatever. Now those extensions, now they call top level domain. Those ones they help you know the region where your plane they go or where your plane supposed to go. It will help you know the area. And for instance, now if they use .ng, immediately you know say na country space and be this. Also, anybody where they see your domain name or your website name as www.aarealzone.ng, they know say now something we get to do with the Nigerian space now be this. If you see .uk, it means say now something we get to do with UK, the United Kingdom now be this. .ru now .russia. .teach means say this website now teaching website be this. If you see .edu, which most universities and most schools they get, you no go see anything like business on top. Everything will be all educational because the educational institution now they get .edu. Each of these extension they with different prices when you want buy them, and they make them very more authentic, especially when your clients and in business they tailored to the exact extension what they want. It is extremely authentic and it is sweet well. Now, what they call second level domain. Now just the unique name where you choose. Aarealzone, Google, BBC, CNN, Dangote, Julius Berger, all Tesla, all those ones that they call second level. No be so much issue like that. I would like to talk about what they call subdomain.